Have you ever wondered if something as simple as apple cider vinegar could help you lose those stubborn pounds? Let's dive into the science and stories behind this popular remedy. Hello everyone. Have you ever reached for a bottle of apple cider vinegar, hoping it's the secret to your weight loss journey? Today we're going to explore whether this kitchen staple is truly a miracle for weight loss, or just a myth waiting to be busted. We'll uncover the actual benefits, the myths, and how you can effectively use apple cider vinegar to your advantage. Unveiling the myths. First, let's tackle a big myth. Apple cider vinegar is loaded with nutrients. Interestingly, it doesn't pack a punch in vitamins like A or C, nor does it contain a wealth of minerals. But don't turn away just yet. Its real power lies elsewhere. The real power of acetic acid. The true hero in apple cider vinegar is something called acetic acid. This compound might not sound glamorous, but its effects on the body are anything but ordinary. You see, contrary to popular belief, many of us have two alkaline bodies, and here's where apple cider vinegar steps in. Understanding body pH and acetic acid. Let's break down body pH. Each part of your body has a different pH level, which is crucial for its functioning. While mainstream chatter often warns us about being too acidic, excessive alkalinity concerns many. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can be a game changer here by helping to balance your body's pH subtly, but significantly. Acetic acid's role in digestion and metabolism. Let's delve deeper. Acetic acid's low pH helps stimulate the stomach to aid digestion and metabolism. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like heartburn and acid reflux, which, contrary to popular belief, often occur when your stomach is not acidic enough. By improving stomach acidity, apple cider vinegar helps the valve at the top of your stomach close correctly, preventing acid reflux. Aging and stomach acidity. As we age, our stomach's natural acidity decreases, which can lead to poor digestion and mineral absorption. Here, apple cider vinegar can play a critical role by boosting stomach acidity and helping with the efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients, particularly calcium. Systemic effects of altered pH levels. When your body's pH isn't optimal, it can lead to calcium building up in places we don't want, like arteries or joints, leading to conditions like arthritis or cataracts. You can help prevent these calcifications and their associated problems by maintaining a balanced pH through apple cider vinegar. How to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. Integrating apple cider vinegar into your diet is simple. A standard method is mixing it with water and drinking it before meals. This can enhance digestive efficiency and metabolism, which are essential for weight management. It's a natural way to adjust your body's pH levels. Additional benefits and nutritional tips. Beyond digestion, apple cider vinegar has properties that support the immune system and can help manage blood sugar levels, contributing to overall health and weight management. It's not just about losing weight. It's about a holistic approach to health. Testimonials and success stories. Many have shared their success stories about their success with apple cider vinegar, describing how regular consumption of apple cider vinegar has transformed their health regimes, from improved digestion to noticeable weight loss. These stories aren't just inspiring, they underscore the potential benefits when used correctly. Science behind apple cider vinegar and weight loss. Let's delve even a little deeper into the science of how apple cider vinegar can aid weight loss. Acetic acid, the main component in vinegar, has been studied for its potential to increase fat burning and reduce fat storage. This process helps regulate blood sugar levels and decrease insulin levels, which are critical factors in weight management. Daily regimen and dosage recommendations. Getting the dosage right is essential for those looking to incorporate apple cider vinegar into their daily routine. We recommend starting with 1 teaspoon diluted in a glass of water about 30 minutes before each meal. This prepares your digestive system and can reduce appetite, potentially leading to lower calorie intake. Addressing common concerns and misconceptions. Many people worry about the acidity of apple cider vinegar and its potential impact on tooth enamel or the esophagus. These are valid concerns. To mitigate these risks, always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming. Use a straw and rinse your mouth afterward. Never drink apple cider vinegar undiluted. Tasty and healthy ACV drink recipes. Let's get practical and creative. I'll share 2 of the most popular and favorite apple cider vinegar drink recipes for many that are healthy and delicious. First, the morning metabolism booster combines ACV with lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and warm water. Second, the evening soother mixes ACV with chamomile tea and a hint of raw honey. I encourage you to try these recipes and share your creations in the comments below. Let's build a community to share and learn from each other's experiences with natural health remedies like apple cider vinegar. To recap, while apple cider vinegar isn't a cure-all, it offers several health benefits that can aid in weight loss and improve overall health. It's about making small, manageable changes to your diet that can have a lasting impact on your well-being. Exploring natural remedies like apple cider vinegar is part of a journey toward a healthier lifestyle. Remember, moderation is vital, and always listen to your body. That said, thank you for watching, and until next time, embrace your health, one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful health content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Share your thoughts and progress with us in the comments below. Your interaction inspires our content.